Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, what we are seeing is that pre-elections, there are some profit booking in mid-cap and in small-cap stocks, which we feel it can continue till the event get over. The timeline is that last date of pooling is 1st Jan, and then we have an exit pool at the end of 1st Jan, that is Saturday. And Monday, we will be playing on exit pool, and then Tuesday, there will be a result outcome. So, the need to be a bit careful in short term till Friday, and then the pool will play its role. Apart from that, US market has seen some corrections in the futures, and even if we remove the Nvidia, which was up by almost around 7% yesterday, which took the Nasdaq up again. The S&P was more of a flattish, and older stock like airline and all had seen decline over there. Uh, Futures are a bit soft, and Asian market are also indicating more of a soft trade in today's morning trade, are more or less seeing decline. On the other end, commodities are seeing some up move. Oil is up by around $1 from same time yesterday. Apart from that, aluminum, copper are also positive uh, since market close yesterday at 4 o'clock. Then then iron ore and steel are a bit soft and down by around 1% and 0.5% respectively in China market. So overall seems more of a continuation of yesterday profit booking in mid cap and in small cap, which can continue in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down opening, and we're likely to witness a profit session or say the selling pressure during the day. From the last two trading session, I'm continuously emphasizing that the Nifty is facing a strong resistance of 23,000, 23,100 levels, and we are likely to witness a profit booking at the higher side. Yesterday, it has given the signal of the same level, maintain a closing below that level, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Going ahead, 22,800 is the first support level. Below that level, we are likely to see the extension of this leg towards 22,740 to 22,670 levels. Whereas on high side, as of now, the immediate resistance is placed at around 22,940, 23,000 levels. So the overall view on the market is bit cautious. Try to book your profits or else hold with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank nifty, for today intraday purpose, 49,440, 49,700 are the crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 49,000 psychological mark. Any move below that level will see the extension of this fall towards 48,840. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,920, 21,860 are the two support levels, whereas the resistance is placed at 22,016, 22,130. So the overall view is bit cautious. Try to book your profits or hold the long positions by maintaining a trailing stop losses. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are witnessing from last 2 days of trading session, on the closing basis on 2 days, we are seeing that the market is continuously giving a sell-off on the Nifty front. In yesterday half an hour all session, also we have seen that the Nifty almost dragged down by 40-50 points, due to which the correlated position which we are seeing are continuously getting added near the ATM strike. From Monday, we are saying, I'm continuously saying from last 2 days that till the time Nifty is not giving closing about 23,100 level, till that point of time we won't see any liquidation from the call rider front, and the same thing is happening. We are seeing that the Nifty came down below 23,000 mark, and due to which from 22,900 to 23,100 strike on the monthly basis also, and for the next series also, the call rider position got added up heavily against the put rider position, where we are seeing the put rider position of 23,000 strike, which was trading around 11 to 12 million position from last 2 days of trading session, against the call at a position which was trading around 10 to 11 million position. It got added up towards a 15 million position of call data at 23,000 strike. So this is a sign of a signal where we will expect the Nifty to go down below 22,600 to 500 level. The support for the Nifty lies as per the OI position is at 22,800 level in today's trading session on the spot level. But we are seeing that if Nifty is likely to open 100 points on the lower end, so Nifty is likely to open below the supportive level. Once if in today's trading session Nifty gives closing below 22,800 level, then the next possible level on the downside will be 22,500 to 400 level in next 3 to 4 days of a trading session. So overall scenario seems to be on the cautious front, as we are seeing that India VIX yesterday also increased by 4%, giving closing at 24.20 level. So we are seeing that as per the charter structure, India VIX is likely to stretch on the upside towards the 28 to 30 mark, due to which the range for the Nifty on the intraday front is almost around 300-350 points. But once if India VIX comes near 28 to 30 mark, the range for Nifty will directly shoot up towards the 550 to 500 on the intraday front. So volatility is likely to increase more in next 3 to 4 days of a trading session. So current view for the Nifty will be on the cautious front, but another suggestion will be to keep light on the long positions. You should stay away from the market for next 2 to 3 days of trading session for creating any new long position. Once the election results are out and India VIX gets settled again below 20 mark, after that we can create new long position. But as per the current scenario, market seems to be on the volatile front. While on the sector stock Pacific front, the Deepak Nitrite, Apollo Tyre and DLF, in these three counter we have seen that a major short position have got added up in yesterday trading session, and we might expect some sell off in today's trading session also. So that's it from Director front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the results front, IED cementation result is marginally above expectation. Order book has remained flat at 20,000 crores mark since the last 5 quarters now. Although order book to sales stands at a strong 2.5 times, providing visibility of growth for next 2 to 3 years. Revenue grew by 12% sequentially, 38% year on year. This is against the management guidance which they gave post Q3 con call that sales are likely to remain flat in Q4, but they have improved by 12%. EBITDA margin remains stable at around 10%. Profit came at 90 crores against expectation of 81 crores and last year's Q4 profit number of 38 crores. So it was a positive result and our view remains positive on ITD cementation. Thank you.
Good morning. Finotex Chemical posted the results and results were okay. Revenue grew by 11.1% on a YY basis and EBITDA margin reported at 25%. The stock is trading at 35 times to 35 times to TTM EPS, and we will provide the outlook post its con call. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited posted the results, and results were improved. Results were sequentially improved, where the revenue grew by 1.1% on a sequential basis, and this marginal improvement in the performance was on account of chemicals and other segment that has delivered improved numbers, and the performance was weak when compared on a YY basis due to weak performance of chemical segment. Overall EBITDA margin reported at 6.9% versus 16.2% in the same quarter last year and 4% in the last quarter. The stock is trading at a PE of 19.8 times to TTM EPS. Thank you.
So Hindalco has said that the Novelis price band for the offer for sale in the US market will be $18 to $21. And at $21, the value which Hindalco will be getting is $945 million for sale of 7.5% holding. So the overall value for the Novelis for Hindalco work out to $12.6 billion in market cap. And then there is a further debt of around $3 billion. So overall value is somewhere around 14 to 15 billion dollars, whereas market 15 to 17 million dollars, depending on the what the market is capturing right now is around 14.5 billion dollar in the range. And at issue price at lower end also it is higher than that. Uh, Quite possible that post this listing, while calculating the value of the Hindalco, then there will be discount which need to be given for listed company in the US. So in that case, if we consider $17 billion, then the maximum discount it can get is around 20%, which is the tradition. Then the value will work out to somewhere at around $14 billion, which is being garnered by IPO. So overall seems more of a positive, as the environment for the aluminum is quite positive. We had seen aluminum prices moving up. So that will keep on supporting the Hindalco sales. Apart from that, today, yesterday, Supriya Life came up with the numbers. They are into APIs for pharma sectors and intermediate for pharma. So the results was had shown improvement. Quarter on quarter, the revenue moved up by almost around 13%, and also the EBITDA margin also shown improvement to 35% against 29%. Though last year, same quarter, the margins were a bit higher. But thereafter, we had seen corrections in the prices, and now again, we have started seeing catching up of that, and that is being seen in the result. So the result is positive, and outlook for Supriya is also positive. Apart from that, another company, that is Eureka Forbes, came up with the numbers, and the numbers are positive and has shown improving trend. Year on year growth was 9.5% reported. But if we exclude the discontinued operation from the base, the growth is 11.4%, which is double-digit growth what the management has set. And also the EBITDA margin has also shown improvement, though reported is 9.6%. But if we exclude the ESOP expenses of around 9 crores, the EBITDA margin works out to 11.2%, which is also the indication was that the company is trying to reach double-digit margins. So overall results are positive, and the outlook here again is positive for the company. So that's all from us. Now commodity team to take up from.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, prices in gold are expected to test the August contract is expected to test 70 to 600 to 700 on upside. So buying around 70 to 250 to 200 is recommended, with a stop loss of 71 950. Silver also, if prices are sustaining above 95 300, then we expect further rally till 96 500. So buying on dips in silver is recommended. In copper, we are expecting prices to test 912 to 915 on the upside. So buying around 907 is recommended, with a stop loss of 899. In zinc also, we are expecting prices to test 280 81. So buying on dips is recommended around 277. And crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 6700 6720 on upside. So buying on dips around 66 40 30 is recommended, with the stop loss of gas. Also, we are expecting prices to trade in a positive trade territory with a stop loss of 225. That's it from us.